Watching JT the Ag Guy, and today we're cutting more wheat. Stuff, or not residual. Just clean it off one more time. Give her one more good wipe with the cleaning stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Sorry, I forgot to record there for a minute. We're currently at the CHS Prime Line elevator right now, dumping what we had last night. By the time we finished cutting last night, the elevator was closed, so we had 2 trucks loaded. The Peterbilt in front of me and the good old Freightliner that I'm currently in. But anyways, in line for that, and then once we get that done, we're gonna head back. I can't talk today. Head back to the field, and I believe we got another 60. 70, 67 acres left, something like that. So yeah, that pile last time I filmed was only about 2 days ago, so that pile has grown quite a bit. I think they're going to get ready to move this. So yeah, they had a really good crop this year up here in the Nez Perce region. All right, they're getting me loaded. They're over that hill right now. Once they got me loaded, I'm going to take this over to Craig Mount, which is that way somewhere. And yeah, no, this wheat's yielding really good. It looks good. I'm wondering, because I was wondering this, because obviously living in Iowa, all I've ever farmed or helped farm pretty much is corn and soybeans, and I've done oat harvest like once. So a good yield out here is 90. A really good freaking yield is over 120. This stuff's yielding about 126 per acre. But there's spots that are yielding 130, 140. So pretty good crop. They got pretty much rain at all the right times except for in June, I think. If they would have had some in June, it would have been even better. But no, it's good stuff. It's really good. Yeah. They're gonna finish getting me loaded. I'm gonna get on the road. English. We're thinking now. We're just thinking. I'm gonna just go ahead and say this. Someone who works for a farm back in Iowa, I truck for those guys most of the time. Idaho, like Craig Mount, Idaho. Who knew they have the best elevator I've ever been to? They got freaking ice cream and popping stuff down where you scale in and scale out, and it's yours for. They let you take as much as you want. They're like, oh, they're super nice here. It's like super cool. Like, I wish they were in Iowa. Like, legitimately the best elevator I've ever worked with before. It's awesome. Load's just dumped. We're gonna get going. I think we're gonna be moving fields here soon. There might be only one more load coming out of this field. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. We're gonna get this truck filled up and take it back to Craig Mount. I'm not gonna record this time though, going because well, I only got so much storage. So yeah, we'll see you soon. We're in fields, and it looks like we're gonna start cutting some canola, I believe. So yeah. Oh, something I learned kind of neat the other day. If you watched my other video I've been posting about harvesting out here in Nez Perce region in Idaho, one of the fields we harvested near, or actually two of the fields, were right next to a company called Hillco. Now, some of you probably know already where I'm going with this, but Hillco, for those of you who don't, Hillco makes side hill systems for combines. So essentially, if you have a hilly region like what's out here, you can get a side hill unit on your combine. That way the combine stays even. It's supposed to help with threshing. It's also supposed to help, obviously, with balance. And yeah. But anyways, that combine down there is just a regular old X9 combine. Okay, I can't remember what year it is. Normal X9 combine. Does not have a Hillco system on it. That combine over there, let's see if I can point to it right there. That was supposedly one of the first hillside combines, or hillside X9 combines, that Hillco made the system for. So like, it's like, I guess in the last couple of years that system came out to be on the X9 combines. It wasn't the first, but it was one of the first ones. Like, fairly, like, when that first came out, they threw it on that one. So, I don't know, it's kind of neat that, you know, one of their pieces of equipment's kind of like, not the first, but kind of is a little bit. So, yeah. Is the X9 that we have with the Hillco system that I was telling you guys earlier about. You can see it a lot better now. But yeah, there you go. Got her tarped up. I can't see it there. There you see. Tarped up. We're gonna head over to one of their bin sites and yeah. canola, or if you're European, rapeseed, but I like canola better. Some of the pit goes to this leg. There's a little leg action for you. And goes up somewhere and goes into a bin. So, yeah. Just sitting here doing that. For those of you who are wondering, that is what canola seed looks like. That's, come on, camera focus. Maybe if I, there we go. It's just really, really tiny little seeds like that. And one of the things, I didn't know this, but canola seed apparently can catch on fire fairly easily if you harvest it too wet. So, like, what was it? We were going to harvest one field, but it came out to be like 11-12% moisture. This was like around 7. And the higher the moisture, the more likely it's going to set stuff on fire, essentially. Don't know the science behind it. It's my first time ever being around canola. But, yeah. So, there you go. Apparently, all the crops out here are trying to burn, which is, again, it's something we really don't have to worry about. Where I'm from, I mean, the biggest fires you hear about are like elevators, but because a bunch of dust from the corn collected and caught fire. But, no, yeah. So, anyways, there you go. And we are currently moving. I don't know if you're going to be able to, how good you're going to be able to see it, but got our 2X lines up in the front, followed by 9RX, and the header carts are spread without. Got Thunder Creek right in front of me. Some random lady who decided to join the convoy, I guess she didn't want to wait, and me, driving a truck. So, yeah, there you go, folks. Getting my truck loaded, I had to, forgot to shut off this light. I had to move the Thunder Creek real quick. That's moved. That's getting loaded. We should be good to go here soon. sitting on a scale right now, and we got a belt running that way that's emptying. I can't really see it. Emptying into a grain leg, which of course goes up, it goes in a grain bed. So, this is like a multiple people rent this grain setup. It's kind of like a grain elevator. We do have to get a sample. So we're gonna take a little handy dandy cup, pour a little out, and there we go. How beautiful this is out here. Like, the camera truly does not do any justice. It's like a ravine over there. Kind of see the top. There is a literal canyon over there, which is insane. The edge of the field goes up to it, basically. You can see it right there. It's just, wow. There you go. You definitely got a better view of it. Oh my gosh, dude. I am so blessed I got to come out here and help these guys. Like, this is just, wow, it's incredible. There's the X9s eating the wheat, taking care of it, knocking it all out. And here they come to fill the truck up, and we got to take it down that road, which I'm not going to record it again, but I recorded it earlier. It gets kind of interesting. Not sketchy, but a little sketchy. There we go. Getting the truck filled up. They have free water and stuff for guys, and I was an idiot and didn't pack enough stuff this morning, so luckily these guys are really cool and chill, and they give us water, lemonade, Mountain Dew. So yeah, no, these guys are great to work for. As is the other farm I work for, but these guys are great. Like, they treated us so good too. Like, it's awesome. I'm gonna put this stuff up. That's a hell of a sunset to have a Mountain Dew too. Cheers. Oh man, that tastes good. Hey guys, Editing GT here. Real quick, I want to give a shout out to my buddy Emil. Here's his TikToks. Go check him out. He's the guy who's been getting the drone footage, or who got the drone footage of this stuff today. And I believe he's going to try to get some more drone footage for stuff tomorrow. But anyways, thank you, buddy. I appreciate you letting me use your drone, or you using your drone to film some stuff for me so we can put it on the YouTube channel. Anyways, Thanks, guys. Have a good night. God bless you.